Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about the lack of adequate rehabilitation facilities in the ward. Our patients are struggling to recover due to limited resources.
I agree, Mihira. We've been trying to make do with what we have, but it's challenging.
Patients need access to specialized equipment and therapy sessions to aid in their recovery. Without these resources, their progress is hindered.
What specific equipment do we need?
We require more exercise bikes, treadmills, and resistance bands. These are essential tools for rehabilitation and strengthening exercises. Additionally, we need to invest in newer models of ultrasound therapy machines for pain management and tissue healing.
I'll bring this up with the administration and see if we can allocate funds for new equipment.
It's important to advocate for the necessary resources to ensure that our patients receive the best possible care. We can't compromise on their rehabilitation.
Mihira, I'll do my best to address this issue and ensure that our patients have access to the necessary equipment. I know this is a difficult situation, Mihira, and convincing him won't be easy. But you're not alone in this, and there are ways to encourage him with kindness and patience, gently reminding him of the seriousness of his condition and how quitting alcohol can improve his health might help him see the importance of making a change. Most importantly, let him know he doesn't have to go through this alone. He has you and his family who care deeply about him. Sometimes involving other loved ones in the conversation can make him feel supported rather than pressured. You might also consider seeking help from a professional, like his doctor or a counselor, who can explain the medical risks and provide guidance tailored to his needs. Even small steps toward quitting are progress, and every effort he makes is a step in the right direction. How do you feel about these approaches, Mihira?